first question we will examine here is f is equal to kq1 q2 divided by r square. And here we're solving for q1. Solve for q1. Now q1 is in the numerator here of this fraction. So on the right side we have kq1 q2 divided by r square, and on the left side we have f. So our aim here is to have fractions on both sides of the equation. So on the left side we will rewrite f as f divided by 1, which is the same as f, and on the right side we have kq1 q2 divided by r square. Now when we have this here, we will cross multiply. kq1 q2 multiplied by 1 will give us kq1 q2 is equal to, and we multiply f by r square, and this will give us r square f. At the point at this moment, we wish to make q1 the subject of the formula, but we have two intruders. We have k and we have q2. So since k is multiplied to q1 and q2 is multiplied to q1, in order to get rid of the two intruders k and q2, we divide by k and q2 on both sides of the equation. So we will write kq1 q2 divided by k q2, and what we do on the left side we must do on the right side in order for it to be balanced. So on the right side of the equation we have r square f divided by k q2. So here q2 and q2, k and k will cancel. So the result is q1 is equal to r square f divided by k q2. Right. So we will move on to the second question. Second question here, we have d is equal to half a t square. And here we wish to make t the subject. So you will see for t, or you would see solve for t. Solve for t. The left side here, d, that is the subject of the formula because it is standing alone. And on the right side we have half a t squared. So we look to see what we want to make the subject of the formula. We want to make t the subject of the formula. But we have half a, and we need to get rid of half a. Now, when we divide a fraction by another fraction, in this case, it is the same as multiplying that fraction by its reciprocal in order to get 1. So in order for us to get 1, to get rid of half, we multiply half by its reciprocal, which is 2. And if we do that on the right, we must do that on the left also. So what we will do, we multiply d by 2, 2 being the reciprocal of half, and we multiply half by its reciprocal, which is 2. And we continue a t squared. Now when I multiply d by 2, we have 2d. Half by 2 will result in 1. So all we have left here is a t squared. But at the moment we have an intruder. The intruder here is a. We don't need a. So our ultimate aim is to make t the subject. T must be standing alone. So in order for us to get rid of a, we see that a is multiplied by 2 squares. So we have to divide by a in order to get rid of it. So what we do, we divide by a on both sides of this equation. So if we divide by a, we have t squared remaining. T squared is equal to 2d divided by a. But we have to get rid of this square. In order for us to get rid of this square, we root it. And in another video, we will show exactly what happens when we root a square. So we root t square. What we do on the left, we must do on the right. So therefore, we root td, 2d rather, divided by a. So after applying the root here to the t square, the result is t is equal to the root of 2d divided by a. Very, very easy. Now we will go on to the third question. It is important to know how to be comfortable in changing the subject of a formula. So our third question, W is equal to 4 third pi a cube rho g. Now this is a Greek letter rho. So our aim is to make g the subject of the formula. So here we have W is equal to 4 third pi a cube rho g. The first thing we would do is get rid of the fraction. Like I said before, in order to get rid of this fraction, when we divide 4 third by itself, it is the same as multiplying 4 third by its reciprocal, which is 3 over 4. So what we do on the right, we do on the left also. So we multiply W by the reciprocal of 4 third, which is 3 over 4, is equal to 4 third times 3 over 4 pi a cube rho g. Now W times 3 over 4 would give us 3W divided by 4 is equal to, and this will result in 1, 4 into 4, 1, 4 into 4, 1, and this will give us pi a cube rho g. But we would like to make g the subject. So therefore we have to, since we see that pi a cube rho multiplied by g, we need to divide by pi a cube rho. And what we do on the right, we do on the left. But when we're dividing a fraction by this, it is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. So what we will do on this side, it is okay. We will divide by pi a cube rho. But on this side, 3W divided by 4, we multiply this by the reciprocal of pi a cube rho, which is the same as 1 over, or 1 divided by pi a cube rho. What will the result be? 3W multiplied by 1 will give us 3W divided by 4 pi a cube rho equal to the pi, the a cube, and the rho will cancel, and this equal to g. Therefore, the answer g is equal to 3W divided by 4 pi a cube rho. Good. And we will go on to the next question. The next question we have h is equal to 2 gamma cos theta divided by r rho g. Now this may seem confusing, but it is the easiest question of all. So we would like to make gamma the subject of the formula. At present, h is the subject of the formula. So we need to change that by rearranging what we have in order to make gamma the subject of the formula. So we write for gamma. How do we make gamma the subject of the formula? We see at the right side of the equation we have a fraction, so our aim is to make the left side a fraction also by writing h over 1. It's the same as h. So now that we have a fraction on both sides of the equation, 2 gamma cos theta divided by r rho g. Now we can cross multiply. So 2 gamma cos theta multiplied by 1 will give us 2 gamma cos theta is equal to h times r rho g. So here we have 2 gamma cos theta is equal to hr rho g. We would like to make gamma the subject of the formula. So we see that the number 2 cos and theta, they are multiplied by gamma. Again, what we do on the left, we do on the right. So in order for us to get rid of the 2 cos and theta, we divide by 2 cos and theta on both sides of the equation. So we have 2 gamma cos theta divided by 2 gamma, that should be 2 cos theta, is equal to hr rho g divided by 2 cos theta. So 2 and 2 will cancel, cos theta and cos theta will cancel. So gamma is equal to hr rho g divided by 2 cos theta. Very, very easy. And you will see this regardless of what you do. If you're doing electrical installation, you have the voltage is equal to the current multiplied by the resistance, and you like to find the resistance in the circuit. Then you will have to transpose in order to make R the subject, given the voltage and the current and other things. So everything that we do in mathematics is important in everyday life. In the upcoming videos, we will focus on transformations, where we will be exploring rotations, enlargements, glide reflections, translations, and so on. Also vectors and a list of topics that you, the viewers and subscribers, requested. So if you're new to this channel, once again, give the videos a thumbs up, subscribe to be part of the wonderful online community, and continue to practice this beautiful subject, and you will succeed. So thank you for watching. Until next video, goodbye.